Hello, my name is Erica Parker and I will be going over our direct drill play. Three mischievous Italian guests perform an obligatory Mozart sonata. They couldn't escape Mrs. Oil unless they wanted a similar schism in the Illinois government. The athlete finds strength in the idea that zoology isn't comparable to superfluous experiments. With their accessories, the candidates presented posthumous crystal awards comparable to those found in a library pamphlet. Any specific gesture often created a genuine response from royal juvenile. The members of the cavalry stopped long enough to eat an oyster, a salmon, and an almond from the chest of drawers, to drink some water, which was probably left from the lamentable deluge, and to get a medicinal chassis worth 5 cents. The perspiration is indicative of physical exhaustion. The length of time the realtor showed the facade discouraged the buyer, who evidently stated irrevocable, that he wouldn't entertain Baptists or Methodists in a house with no chimney. Our university often formulates theories stimulating men to think of studying history, literature, statistics, adjectives, sentences, diphthongs, giblets, detergents, and theaters. Can you walk and touch your forehead while using your larynx? Just ask for a picture of the furniture that you find preferable. Dismiss any irrelevant interpretations at the time they're mentioned. When could the man receive a comparable honor with the deterioration of entrepreneurship in your clothes? Thank you.